everybody, welcome to my channel. Today's video I will be tackling some laundry. I have a lot of laundry just sitting around in my laundry room. I have baskets full of laundry that are clean. I have some that are dirty. I have laundry in the dryer. I have laundry upstairs in the basket. I just have laundry all over the house. It's just so overwhelming. So today's video I will be tackling that laundry, and I will be filming that for you guys, hopefully to give you all some motivation to tackle your laundry, to wash, dry, fold, and put it away. So I hope this gives you some motivation. I'm starting out this video playing with Charlie. He is so cute. We just love him. I'm just laying in bed chilling. I usually don't start to get up and get motivated until about 10 in the morning, because normally, you know, I work 12-hour shift the night before, so I just like to rest as much as I can. But like I said, at 10 o'clock I'm usually up and moving around. Okay, so now that I'm done playing with Charlie, laying around doing nothing, it's time to get up and get motivated. I'm starting in my laundry room. Those clothes that you see, those are clean clothes. I have clothes on top of the dryer. I have clothes in the baskets. I have clothes on the floor. It's just a mess. It's just piled up with clothes. I know what's clean. I know what's dirty though, so that's a good thing. And I think I also had clothes in the dryer, but I'm just loading the washer. So guys, okay, my question is, do you put your laundry detergent in before you load the washer, or do you load the washer and put your laundry detergent on top of your load of clothes in the washer? Leave your comment down below if you put your detergent in the washer before you load the washer or after.
I want to be there and baby dance the night away. I let my head down if I want. Don't you just get tired?
Okay, so now I think I'm sorting through the clean clothes, be able to get them all together so that I can carry them up the stairs a little easier.
Think you can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly.
I had washed the bathroom rugs. I also washed those because, you know, whenever we get out of the shower, we step on those and they get wet. I don't shampoo them. I just throw them in the washer. So now that I got all the clothes upstairs, I'm going to start folding the clothes and organizing the clothes for me, for my boyfriend, and for my son, and also the towels and rags and the socks.
I'm better now. Wouldn't hold it against you if you say that you don't want to get close to me, close to what we used to be. But I just feel like dancing. Are you feeling it too? Oh baby, won't you love me? Won't you love me? Won't you love me? Love me like yesterday. Don't you feel how it feels, baby?
all your Doritos.
I've been trying my best not to think about you, but you're stuck in my mind. I've been hypnotized by you. Hey, all the suffering and pain got me feeling so blue. Cause when it was us, I was never enough. Girl, you got me thinking I was messed up, pushing me down instead of pulling me up. So tell me what I'm supposed to do just to be alright. Girl, you got me thinking I was messed up, yeah.
If you're new here, hello, welcome to my channel. I hope you're enjoying this video so far. Don't forget to like this video, comment, and if you're not subscribed, subscribe to my channel. And if you are a returning subscriber, hello, thank you so much for watching my video today, and I hope it gives every single one of y'all motivation to get your laundry done, to tackle it, to get it washed, dried, and put away, fold it and put away, hang it up.
Was messed up, pushing me down instead of pulling me up. So tell me what I'm supposed to do just to be.
I noticed, because I brought everything upstairs into my bedroom, and I have a king size bed, so it's, you know, it's big enough for me to fold all of our clothes on, and it just made it so much easier that I was already upstairs, and you know, both of our bedrooms are upstairs, our bedroom and then my son's bedroom's upstairs, and then also the linen closet is upstairs where I store the bathroom and towels. So it made it so much easier to put the clothes away. My advice to you is try to find a spot in your house, whether it be in your living room, in, you know, your bedroom, the kids' bedroom, wherever. Go ahead and fold the clothes on the bed because it's big enough. It gives you a big enough space that you can fold all the clothes on and then put them away after you get done folding them. Like I said, our bedrooms are close to each other. The linen closet was close, so you know, it didn't take but, you know, a couple minutes or a few seconds to put all that away.
One of a kind, one of the better boys. I'm on your level, that's what you say, but all I hear is noise. I don't have time for trying my luck. I've been too hurt before. You're not that special, just give it up. I think I've had enough. I'm too busy loving my friends. I ain't got no love to spare for you. I'ma be that girl to the end. It don't really matter what you do. Guess I have to tell you again, cause you haven't got the news. Boy, you really need to understand that I